What are the consequences of not having RN number for your business? Is it required? I went to the website of the Federal Trade Commission, and this is what the Federal Trade Commission website says. RN stands for Registered Identification Number. It is a number issued by the Federal Trade Commission to U.S. businesses that manufacture, import, distribute, or sell products covered by the Textile, Wool, and Fur Acts. Businesses can use this number on product labels instead of the company name. So the legislation of the United States says that a company name should be listed on the label of a product. If you do not want to list your company name on the label, because your company name either is too long or you have any other strategic thoughts about not placing your company name on the label, you can use an RN number instead of using your company name. And you do not have to apply for an RN number. You just put your company name on the label. If you don't want to, then you get your RN number on the label. And then everybody can trace your company and see who is the distributor, the importer, the manufacturer of this product. You do not have to have it, but you have to have the company name on it. And then the question is, why do some labels do not have it? So there are labels in the United States who do not have RN number and they do not have their company name. They just never read the legislation and nobody knocked on their door yet, but it may happen any day. So you want to comply